Used to be so easy to fall in love again, but I found out the hard way. It's a road that leads to pain. I found out that love was more than just a game. We're playing to win, but you lose just the same. So long, it was so long ago, but I've still got the blues for you. For the days come and go, there is one thing I know, still got the blues for you.
This dance is called Rolling Blues, choreographed by Misuk and Ivonne Verhagen. It's a 16-count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance. No tag or restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, forward, sweep your right, jazz box, quarter turn to your right, cross, quarter turn right, back side. Facing 3 o'clock. Left foot, cross, hit your right, cross, side rock, recover, 1/8 right to 430, step left foot forward and raise both arms forward and up. Round back, right, left, right, 1/8 left, side facing 3, quarter turn to your left, touch your right, and bending knees facing 12 o'clock. Section 2, half turn right, step right foot forward, sweep your left facing 6, weave, cross, side behind, right foot, side, drag your left, 3/4 turn to your left, or optional 1 3/4 turn to your left. Quarter turn left forward, half turn left, step right foot back, 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 sweep your left facing 3, behind, side rock, recover, 1/8 right, hook your right facing 1030, run around 3/8 turn to your right. Step in, right, left, right. Now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and One more time with optional 1 3/4 turn. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.